You may have planted radishes expecting crisp, round roots only to pull them up and find nothing but leaves. You know, it can be confusing because radishes are supposed to be one of the easiest crops to grow. So when they don't form bulbs, it feels like something went wrong, even when you followed all the basic instructions. So we've all been there. Radishes are often recommended as a beginner crop, and many gardeners plant them thinking they will grow quickly without much effort. So most gardeners experience this at some point, especially when they are just getting started. But here's what most people don't realize. Radishes don't fail randomly. When they don't form bulbs, they are simply responding to their environment. So timing, spacing, and moisture all work together, and if one of those is off, the plant will focus on leaves instead of roots. Over the years on the farm, we've learned that radishes are one of the best teachers in the garden. They grow quickly and they respond immediately to small changes. But when the conditions are right, they form beautiful roots. And when something is off, they show you right away. That makes them a simple crop once you understand what they need. So what we want to do is give the radish plant the condition that it's looking for. So there are 3 simple things that make the difference between leafy top and strong full roots. All right, the first is timing. Radishes are cool season crops, and they prefer temperatures between about 35 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So when outdoor temperatures rise above that, the plants, they shift out of root production. So in warmer weather, radishes will grow leaves quickly, but stop forming bulbs. That is why planting at the right time for your zone matters so much. So I've grown radishes in the late spring, and when the temperatures hit about 80 degrees, that really is pushing it. Plant a new crop every 2 weeks to keep your family in radishes, and grow your radishes in full sun in the cool months. So here are the recommended timing depending on your growing zone. So zones 9 and 10, you can plant your first crop of radishes in October and grow through the winter and into April. In zones 8, you can start your radish planting in February and grow through the spring, and then you can start a new crop in October and grow as long as you can plant, and go ahead and plant a new crop every 2 weeks until it just gets too cold. Zone 7, start your radishes in your garden around March 1st, and they should grow pretty well through May 1st. Zone 6, you can plant your first crop of radishes around March 15th, and they should grow pretty good until about May 15th. Zone 5, you can plant your first crop of radishes around April 1st, and they should do pretty good until about May 15th. Zone 4, you can plant your first crop of radishes around April 15th, and they should do pretty well until about May 30th. You want to plant the last crop in a place that will get afternoon shade. All right, for you in Zone 3, you can plant your first crop of radishes around the 1st of May. So there's a chance you can grow radishes all summer long. So keep replanting every 2 weeks to test your garden to see how long you can continue to grow radishes. And for summer crops, try to find a place with afternoon shade. So the second is spacing. Radishes need room to form roots. And when they're crowded, they compete with each other and they stay small or fail to bulb. So thin your plants once the first true leaves appear, and give them about 1 inch of space for small varieties and up to 2 inches of space for large varieties. Instead of moving the extra plants, which radishes do not tolerate well, you can harvest them early and use them as microgreens. The third is consistent moisture. So radishes need steady water to form smooth, full roots. So if the soil dries out even for a short time, the plants can slow down or produce small, misshapen bulbs. So keeping the soil evenly moist allows the roots to develop properly and keeps the plants growing steadily. So when you plant in the cool season, give the plants enough space and keep the soil consistently moist. Radishes, they respond quickly. Small adjustments make a big difference, and you can often correct problems within a single planting cycle. So imagine pulling radishes from the soil and seeing full round roots instead of just leaves. The shift happens when the plant is in the right condition, and once you see it, it becomes repeatable. For the best radish crop, plant in your cool season, thin your seedlings, and keep the soil evenly moist. If you'd like to know exactly when to plant radishes and 14 other vegetables in your growing zone, go ahead and download the free guide, When and How to Start the Top 15 Vegetables for a Productive Garden. Know exactly what to plant, when to plant it, and how to grow strong seedlings. The link is in the description below.